In this video, we are going to see how we can use digital certificates for passive reconnaissance. We are trying to find subdomains of a website that may be using the same digital certificate. Digital certificates are primarily used to ensure the security and authenticity of websites. They help to establish a secure connection between a user browser and the website they are trying to access, by verifying that website is legitimate and encrypting the data that is exchanging between the two parties. However, they can also be used to discover subdomains of a website. When a certificate is issued for a specific domain, it is typically issued for that domain and any of its subdomains. Therefore, by searching for the certificate issued to a particular domain, it is possible to discover subdomains that are associated with that domain. Now let's see some digital certificate search engines. The first website is search.sh, which allows searching with domain name and organization name, etc. The second is Interest Search, which allows searching for partial as well as expired certificates. The third, but not the least, is Census. Census is a search engine for all internet-connected devices and has a separate functionality to search digital certificates. Let's just see them one by one. So we are on search.sh website. Now you can search any domain, for example parkwheels.com, and we will get all the historical record. If you look closely, you will see that different subdomains have also been mentioned, like status.parkwheels.com, shell.parkwheels.com, and the issuing authority is also mentioned. The website has been using Let's Encrypt, GoDaddy, and Cloudflare certificates. Now let's see the other website. Click on Include Expired Certificates and Subdomains and search for parkwheels.com. The certificates are presented in an organized manner. We can see that the latest certificates that it is using are of Amazon. It has been using certificates from Amazon, Cloudflare, GoDaddy, and Let's Encrypt. And we can also see some of the subdomains. Now let's see the Census website. So go to the website and change the search option to certificates. Now type in the domain. So we get a list of certificates. And the different domains are also listed, like status.com, and we can also see some of the issuing authorities. So in this manner, we can use digital certificates to passively recon a target.